Hello there, it's Derek again and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you a great tip. I've done research on it and I have tried it out, and I think I want to share with you guys because it's going to be kind of fair of me if I do share with you guys, because you know a lot of people here needs dinero, money, l'argent, sika, you get it. So if you really need something into your pocket, then I think this video is the best one for you to just stick around and watch it. So if you're in Ghana, that is where I reside, I live at, so I think I'm just gonna center this video around it, and I'm gonna say if you're in Ghana, this is what you have to do. You need to take this very serious. Okay, so you can go to Alibaba's website, right? There are tons of things, tons of stuff you can just take advantage of. I tried it out. Let me just check it out here. Okay, so I bought this. The stuffs are in there, so I bought this from Alibaba and then they shipped it to me directly from Alibaba through DHL. Okay, so this is it. I bought an airport case. You get it. I bought an airport case. Let me show you to the camera. Okay, so I bought an airport case, and this one was very cheap. It was very cheap, and I was selling it about 10 times the price I bought it, and people were buying it because they didn't know how much it was. They didn't know the price. They don't care how much it is because they have airports and they want to get their cases. So I just sold it to them and it went just cool. So everything plus the shipping was about $72, let's say $71.4. So when you convert $72 or $71 into Ghana cedis, I think it's gonna be around 380 to 400 Ghana cedis if you're in Ghana. So I sold this for 50. If I think maybe you are being a bit hard-headed or something, I'm just gonna sell it for you for 50. That was the least I sold, and at most I sold it for 80 cedis. So I sold about 8 for 80 cedis and then about 5 for 50 cedis. You get it. I bought 20 of them. I just wanted to try it out, so I bought 20 of them. And this is something a lot of people don't really take advantage of. A lot of people don't know how much they cost, because the least I saw someone was selling it online was 60 cedis, 70 cedis. So I was like, okay, then I can just sell mine for this cheap so that I'll be able to just get a lot of people just come into it. So when I sold about 5 of them, I think I almost got my money. I sold 5 for 80 cedis and I had 400 cedis. Okay, so 400 cedis, and that was for the shipping and the ordering of it. So another 12 was just going into my pocket, and that was the profit I made from it. So it's something I think you guys haven't really seen. A lot of people haven't really been talking about it. So I think it's good I'm sharing with you guys, and I'm gonna just show you with proof of whatever order I made. You guys might be thinking I just brought this to just show you. I'm gonna show you the order on my laptop so that you guys would know what I was really talking about. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. So I'm on the Alibaba website right now, and what I'm going to show you guys is how much I ordered these for, and afterwards how much it cost on the website. Okay, so let me just go to the transaction direct, and you guys are going to see how much I paid for all these things, and you would see how much I made out of it too. And you would see it's not a lie. I'm not lying about anything. So these are the stuffs I bought, and this is it. 71.78 cents. You get it. $71.78. And these are the stuffs I bought. I bought AirPods case, like I told you guys initially. So I'm gonna type in AirPods case, and you guys are just gonna see. And we're gonna go to a Ghanaian website, and then we type in AirPods case to GG. You guys know. I'm just trying to say Ghana because that is where I reside, and anyone out wherever you feel, wherever you can find yourself right now, you can just do this too, right? You can just buy from Alibaba, sorry. You can buy from Alibaba and then you sell to other people, and you're just gonna make some P of it. So I bought something that looked like this, and I'm just gonna say, let's go. So we see these ones. Look at the prices right here. 10, 8. Look at stuffs. Where are the ones I bought? Okay, so you look at this one. So you see 7, that is right here. Okay, let's see the price. 70, that is the price. The guy is selling it right here, and look at the price right here. They're selling it for $7. So 70, if you sell it for probably 80 or 70 even, you're just gonna make about 63 Ghana cedis from it, and it's quite some money. It's very cool, and you guys are gonna love it. So I actually ordered for ones which are like a dog. It's like a dog, it has a dog face and all, and I sold it for 80 cedis at least, at most I think, and 50 cedis at least. I think I sold it to just some few friends of mine for 50 cedis, and I told one it was 2 cedis, it was 3 cedis, it was 5 cedis. I bought these things, and it was like, yo, that's some cool money. And yeah, it's really true. It's some cool money. You guys can just capitalize on it, because school is about reopening, and you can buy all these things. It can be this, or it can be a phone case, and yeah, you can be crashing it in school. So I bought AirPods cases, and I bought them for at least, I bought them for 6 cedis, and I sold them for 80 cedis. You can check out with the prices right here, and you're gonna like it. So I think this is something you guys need to capitalize on. And I'm just gonna type in iPhone cases, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. iPhone cases, and we just go and we come here, we type in iPhone cases right here to iPhone cases, and you guys are gonna see, you guys are gonna see. All right, let's go down here, and you can see the prices of the iPhone cases. And yeah, let's go here. Okay, so look at this ones. If you're able to just bring these ones, you can be selling it like 100 cedis or 120 cedis or 150 cedis. And let's check. Okay, so wooden, let's add wooden, and we see what we are gonna see. You might think maybe I have checked these things already, but yo, so you see, that is 120 cedis right here, and they are selling it for 20 cedis at most. So let's say 20 cedis. How much are you making off this? That is about 100 cedis. I get in it. So this is something you guys need to capitalize on, and I just want to show you these things. It shouldn't be just phone cases or AirPods cases. It could be anything. I get in it. So these are the things you need to take notes, and yeah, I just want you guys to take actions right now. So I think whatever I show you on the website was a bit, I should say, convincing, which is going to make you do something for yourself right now. Not like you're not doing anything for yourself, but probably maybe you've now known what this looks like and how you're going to be able to make some money off it. So this is something you just have to share with friends. I get in it. So probably maybe your friend can just buy a phone case, and I might be selling an AirPod case, and the other person might be selling maybe a headphone or something, and you will be able to buy from him, I'll be able to buy from you, and he's going to be able to buy from me. So at the end of the day, we are all going to get home or go home with some P, and that is all we are all looking for. Don't be selfish about this, because I wasn't selfish. That is why I'm trying to share with you guys. So if you really want to make money, trust me, this is a great thing you need to just put your mind on, try to pay attention to, because school is about reopening, right? And you can just go to school, try to sell these things to people, and trust me, you're just gonna make some money, because you can be selling it 3 times or 4, 5 times the price you bought them over there. And forget about the shipping, because the shipping is most often a bit huge than the amount of money you're going to pay for the product. I get it, but don't worry, because I paid about $42 for the shipping, and the staffs were about 38 or 29 or something. And within like the first 5 days, I made about 400 cedis that was able to just cover everything I spent on the staffs. I get in it. So you don't have to just feel like this is not gonna work, or you've not tried it. Why do you say it's not gonna work? That is something you just don't have to say, else you're just gonna get discouraged every time you feel like you want to do something. So if you really want to do something, you want to be an entrepreneur, a business person, or you want to start a business, try to take a risk every time. Forget about you just not gonna be able to do it, or you're not gonna arrive at a better place. Just keep it going, try it out, and any good thing can just come out of it. If it doesn't come out to be very good, you just try it again. You keep trying, and it's gonna get best. So I think this is something I really feel everyone is gonna like it, and everyone likes it. So if you really like it, give it a thumbs up, share it to anyone you think is gonna like it around you, or you think it might be helpful to them. Every social network, let this video flag there, because it's really gonna help people. So I know it's very hard right here lately in Ghana, because you know the youth are in need of pee. Like, we're all in need of pee. So if this is a great thing, I think we can just make money out of it, because a lot of people are buying phones, headphones, headsets, this small earpiece chargers, and all from Alibaba. Trust me, I didn't want to show you everything because it might make the video very lengthy, but in my next video I'm going to be showing you some stuff you're going to be able to purchase so that is running right now, that is going to help you crush it, that is going to make you get a lot of money. So I'm going to do a lot of research and then come to you next time. So consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything I'm going to share in my next video. And yeah, so keep subscribing, share it to anyone, and then catch you in the next one.